Ryan Saddles here with Broadcast Beat. Today we have a very special guest, and we're talking about NewTek and VizRT with Mark Bryant, Director of Multimedia Development at Big South. How are you, sir?
Doing very well. Glad to be here.
Thanks for being with us. So give us a quick background on Big South and the evolution of your live sports broadcasting journey.
Well, the Big South Conference is NCAA Division I athletic conference, schools in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia. We've been around for more than 30 years as a conference. We've been streaming for more than 10 years, and we've grown from a very small subscription-based product to a much larger free product available on any device that had over 500,000 uniques last year, and very proud of the growth we've seen in that. Several hundred live sporting events from our member campuses for several years running, and always trying to improve our product and always trying to give our audience the best possible look into Big South sports.
So tell us about your current upgrade with NewTek's TriCaster as well as 3Play.
Well, this is our third generation of NewTek gear. We started with the TriCaster Studio several years ago, and then went from there to the 850 Extreme, and now to the TriCaster 8000 Advanced Edition, the 3Play 440, as well as another exciting aspect of this, VizRT graphics engine to bring into the mix. So for us, it's very important to have that step up to the next level and stay with the technological curve, and we believe, we grilled NewTek on this, so we asked them all kinds of questions, concerns, problems, anything that we'd had over the 5 years with the last model, and they had answers for everyone. They'd already addressed them, they'd already seen the direction things were going, and they were ready for us, and so we're happy to be doing business with them.
So what expectations and new pieces of your workflow are you going to have?
Well, one of the key things, as I said, the VizRT graphics engine is a big part, because as we try to elevate what we do, we're trying to get some of our game broadcasts from our schools directly into broadcast network outlets like ESPN3 and similar entities like that. And they were very explicit with us that they want more powerful graphics possibilities than what NewTek had on board. And so NewTek did a good job, got Viz involved, and so now we have that graphics component that will satisfy what those networks are asking for, and we'll be able to put together an output, hopefully, that will get our productions direct from campus onto ESPN3 and other outlets of that type, and not have to always go through third-party production partners, just be able to do it with our video people and our students, as a matter of fact.
So the NDI technology is quite exciting. It was really exciting at the 2016 NAB show. I tell you what, the guys did an amazing job over at NewTek with the integration of NDI. We certainly plan on implementing it here at Broadcast Beat. I'm curious if you guys have any interest in that as well.
Absolutely. The NDI possibilities are very intriguing for us. For me, goal one, after 5 years of putting mileage, both literal and figurative, on this equipment, we were ready for an upgrade. It was seriously time to make that happen. So that was goal number one. Goal number two was to see where we could take it from there, where we could make the improvements, where we could make the technological jumps forward. The NDI is going to be a big part of that. I see all kinds of possibilities. If you're staging one game, maybe you can go peek in on what's happening at the other game. If there's an impact on standings, knowing what's happening in that other game could be key, even to the degree of possibly doing something on the conference office side, where you're doing the last day of basketball season and you're looking in at all these games because they have an impact on the standings and the seedings for the championship tournament. Some schools that may not have the assets to put together their own central control room could essentially make one by networking their sports facilities to one location. There's a lot of ways to go with this. I'm very excited to see where we can go with it in the coming year.
All right, Mark Bryant, Director of Multimedia Development over at Big South Conference. It was an honor to have you guys. You're certainly a respectable organization, and we will certainly chat in the near future. Thank you so much.
Very glad to be here. Thank you for the time.